You know, sometimes when you start filming and you film so long, and what happens then is that you see that you did not press the record button. So yeah, that's what happened to me. So no, I'm not gonna pack this again inside. So let me show you. This is what you get. You get this package, and today I'm gonna take a look at the wet palette from Redgrass. Why I decided to buy this is because first, acrylic paint dries so fast. Second, I'm starting to use acrylic gouache, and I also do not want it to dry so fast. So I think this is going to be useful, and I also heard some people using this for normal gouache. So we will see if it can be used also for that. So it is a wet palette. It means your colors should not dry immediately. They should stay wet for a longer time. And what do they say? Actually, they say whether 4 hours or even a few days later, your paint will still be fresh and ready for the next painting session, which sounds amazing. So in this set, you get a couple of different things. You get hydration paper, 50 sheets. On this paper, you will be putting your color. What I find nice is that, yeah, you already get 50 sheets of the paper in this palette, and you can just throw it away when you are done. I was actually also thinking of buying those tear off palettes, but I'm not so sure how environment friendly they are. The thing is, I really hate cleaning the palettes. Watercolor, gouache, whatever palette, I hate cleaning them. So maybe, but I'm not sure. I will have to check if they are environmental friendly or not. Yeah, so I'm not also sure about this one, but we will see. So we have here the 50 sheets of this paper. Then you get hydration foam. There are 2 in the pack. I already took one out, and oh my god, this is so soft and so nice. It feels really nice under the hand. It actually feels a little bit moist already. And then you get the case, and this is the case. You get also something like this, which you can put on the case to close it. And yeah, we can open it up. So what do they say? They say place the hydration foam pad at the bottom of the case. So we place this down here, and maybe the other way around. Oh, it's already starting to dry. It was nicely wet before. I can feel it a little bit drying out now. So, and now I need to put some water. So it says add water until the hydration foam is saturated. Ooh. Okay. I don't know. I do not want to put too much, but it is soaking in everything, so suppose it needs more. Okay, I can see there is a water inside, so I would say it is saturated. It is wet on every side. And then make sure that the water level does not exceed the hydration foam. Oh, okay, so I should put even more water. Ooh, the foam is getting bigger. Okay, I think now I have too much. Wait, let's see. Yep, this is already, I would say, a little bit too much. Or let me see. Yep, this is a little bit too much water, so I will take a bit out. Now it's swimming in the water. Okay, so now the foam is saturated. There is a, so it did, maybe I should move it in the middle, I'm not sure. Just a little bit. Oh, can I move it at all? Okay, like that. And place the sheet of hydration paper on the foam. Do not wet both sides of the paper. Okay, so I just need to put one sheet on top. So yeah, I will just be taking out one sheet of paper and will be placing it, well, just like that. Oh no, why? Did I put the wrong side? Is there the right side? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if there is a right side of the paper. They did not say that there is a right side. They just say do not wet both sides. Smooth the paper out. Well, I did not smooth it out perfectly. Can I move it? Can I move it or can I not move it? Okay, yes, you can definitely pick it up. And I'm just gonna, yeah, smooth it out like that. Okay. I'm just trying out. Smooth out the air bubbles or wrinkles. Yeah, okay, I already tried it. I do have some air bubbles underneath. A little bit, not a lot. Okay, air bubbles out. Okay, I think it looks okay. The hydration paper should be smooth, stick to the foam, and there should be no excess water on top. Okay, I do not have water. Start painting, it says. Here I have a little bit of the air. Okay, so that's it. Now we can mix our color here on this palette. And after we are done, definitely I'm not sure about this. I think I do not need it. I'm not sure why it's here. I'm not sure. So I think we just close it up. Someone said that you could theoretically also use this side, so you have two foams. You can put one foam here again and also one sheet of paper and also use this, but then you will not be able to close it. So this way you can, let's see how well it closes. Okay, it's really easy, it's already closed. And then you can put this, it is a little bit harder on, so that to keep it closed. Nice. And this is a smaller one. There is also a bigger one, I think XXL it's called, so you can also try that one, but that one was not available when I bought this one. It's around 20 euros, so a little bit more expensive, but if it retains the wetness of the color so that you can still use the color the next time, well, that could be useful. I'm not sure if you are going to believe me, really. It happens a lot of times. I forget about the stuff that I wanted to do or the stuff that I have. And it happened also with this box. So I do not even want to say it, but it has been at least 3 months, okay? You know, 3 months since I've put that water inside. So not the water, you know, that watered paper. And I wanted to open it up after a couple of days. And that never happened. Like, I forgot about it. I was like doing some other stuff. And every now and then I would like remember, oh wait, there is also that thing I need to check, but I never did it. So today when I was cleaning up, I saw this box and I was like, oh my God, am I really going to open this? Maybe it's full of, I don't know, mold. Like imagine you put water inside, something wet somewhere, and you just close it. And I was like, OMG. So I did open it like 1 hour ago, and it was, I have to tell you, it was hard to open. So the sides here were like really stuck, and I was thinking I will not be able to open it at all. And I was definitely afraid of what is going to be inside, but I decided I will show you because it's still wet. Oh my God. And like there is still water inside. Can you believe this? You can see it. I mean, and it is damped. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. I cannot believe it. How is this possible? So first, it's possible because it seems that this is like really sealed. It was really good sealed. So it was this, and then there was like this rubber, no, well, how do you call this? I have no idea. So it was this, and then you put this around it. That's the only thing. And 3 months, maybe even 4, I have no idea, I do not remember. Maybe I should check when I filmed the first video. So I opened it and I was like, oh my god, thank god. There is no mold inside. So I unfortunately did not put any color, so because now we would have been able to see if the color is also wet after 3 months or 4. But as you guys can see, there is water inside. This is still damp, and yeah, so well, it's definitely damp, and thank god, yeah, there is no mold. So next thing is going to be for me to really use it and not leave it for like months to stay like this. But I think that this is like a really good box if you need to have something sealed really well so that it stays wet. So yeah, guys, if you want to believe me, here it is. If you do not want to believe me, well, what can I do? Either way, this is still wet after 3 to 4 months. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.